Here is how to add Google Photos to Google Drive. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can add Google Photos to Google Drive. So let's start. First of all, open Google Drive app and log into your account. After you log into your Google Drive account, go to the files on the bottom right hand side. Then after, select the folder where you want to upload the Google Photos. After you open the particular folder, tap on the plus sign. Then after, tap on upload. Now while selecting the files, select Google Photos from the options above. Then after, it will show you all the pictures that you have in Google Photos. Select the photos that you want to add to Google Drive and then upload it. After you do that, the selected photos will be uploaded to Google Drive in that particular folder. So in this way, you can easily add Google Photos to Google Drive. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.